Yes, 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 guys. Fall is back, which means we get to have super hearty, delicious, warm breakfast. So get ready for 3 different versions of overnight oats. You're not going to want to miss it, y'all. Hey guys, it's Crystal here with A Broke Plant Eater. Welcome back if you're a subscriber, and if you are not a subscriber, number 1, you should be subscribing, and number 2, fair warning, I don't usually look or sound like this. I feel like I sound like super tired, and it's probably because I am. The point of making this video was to show you how easy breakfast could be. We are going to be making 3 different kinds of overnight oats today, and I feel like overnight oats kind of gets put by the wayside. People get tired of them very easily, and it's because they're kind of making the same ones, or they're not trying different things with their overnight oats. So today we're going to be making 3 different kinds. So we're going to make a banana bread overnight oat, we're making apple pie overnight oats, and we're making a blueberry almond vanilla overnight oats. So depending on where your flavor palettes fall, hopefully one of those are sounding pretty enticing to you. I had previously posted a chocolate peanut butter banana overnight oats like a really long time ago when I first started my channel, so I don't know how good the quality is, although I feel like I'm just starting to get pretty good with my video editing. I'm gonna link that video here. Definitely check that out at the end. Whether or not the video quality is kind of like this video quality, which I feel is a little tiny bit better, the recipe is still just as amazing, and it tastes wonderful. So, quick things. Oats are super healthy for you. They're super heart healthy for you. They basically get into your body and just start scrubbing away all of the bad cholesterol that sorts of builds up when you're eating high cholesterol content foods. So definitely make sure that you're eating some overnight oats as much as you can. Number 2, they're super easy with kids going back to school, work schedules, back in full swing, then the sports schedule starts. I mean, it just gets super busy at night. So these things are super easy to prep. I promise. I think it took me like 5 minutes to prep 3 different kinds, and I made 2 each. So we had 6 overnight oats ready for like the week. And now that fall's starting back, I just feel like those warm, super hearty breakfasts are what everybody is craving. I know that's what I'm craving, and your girl is hella tired right now, so the proof was trying to be in the pudding right now. That does not take very long to make your overnight oats. Yeah, it's early in the morning and I'm hungry, so let's get right into the video. Alright guys, the full recipes for all of these will be in the description box below, so grab some 8-ounce mason jars and throw in a 1/4 cup of oats in each one. I'm going to throw a teaspoon of chia seeds in all of them, and then in the blueberry, almond, vanilla oats, I am obviously going to be throwing in about 2 teaspoons of some shaved almonds, as well as some rinsed and drained and dry blueberries. I basically get it just below the twisty point of your mason jar, and this is a teaspoon of vanilla in each of them. That'll definitely bump in the vanilla flavor. And you're just going to fill up your jar to the top with your plant-based milk of choice. The bubbles really indicate that it's pulling through everything, so that's a good sign. And then I'm just going to add in a tablespoon of liquid sweetener. I am using agave. You place the lids on top and just shake them up. Boom, 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 boom. And that's it, guys. You can put them right in the fridge just like this. We're going to move on to our banana bread overnight oats. So I have the oats, I have the chia seeds, and now I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of crushed walnuts. So these were just whole walnuts that I put in a bag and I crushed. And I'm going to be adding some sliced banana in here, again, just under the twisty part of your mason jar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm not actually doing the ingredients in any sort of order. I just like to do the oats, seeds, and those kinds of things first, and then my fruit, and then anything can go in at that point. So I'm going to add in the plant-based milk, some agave, again, to heighten the sweetness just a little bit, because these are very plain oats, and these are actually old-fashioned oats, just so you guys know. Place the lids on top again and shake, Samara. No, stop. Let me I should probably delete that. Anyway, you could, again, just place those right in. So this is your apple pie oats. We are going to start with oats, chia seeds. We're throwing cinnamon and hemp seeds in. And these are just Granny Smith apples that I have. It's only one, actually, apple that I had peeled and chopped up. So one apple will give you about 2 different jars. Add in your plant-based milk. Throw in your vanilla and your liquid sweetener. You can omit any of these ingredients if they are not, toward your diet, or if you don't want them to be as sweet, or if you want to add the sweetener at the end. It's totally up to you. So again, place the lid on, shake, 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 and that is it, folks. I mean, all 6 of these will go in the fridge and they will last about 3 to 4 days. So here it is the next morning. I am just throwing them on the stovetop. I have sprayed my pan. I have no idea where the footage went, but I did spray my pan with a little bit of canola oil just so that my oats wouldn't stick. And I just took these out. This is what they look like when you first open them up. And you can at this point add a little bit more milk if you wanted to make them even creamier. I kind of like them as this like really thick cereal, so it's totally up to you. And these only take about 3 to 4 minutes on the stovetop on medium to high heat to warm up. And I'm going to be placing them in the bowl. I lost footage of me slicing banana. It's really early in the morning, guys. I'm really sorry. But I am throwing on some chopped walnuts, and I don't have any chocolate chips, so you can add them if you want. So I just threw on some roasted cacao nibs. This is maple syrup that I'm going to drizzle on top, as well as extra cinnamon, because you guys know I love cinnamon. That's it. That's it, you guys. I hope you see how easy that can be. Just a side note, we heat our overnight oats up on the stovetop because we don't have a microwave by choice. But if you do have a microwave, you can totally put these in the microwave. You don't have to heat them up on the stove. So depending on how much time you have in the morning, this can be super, super easy. So definitely, if you are going to choose to put it into a microwave, please take the oats out of the mason jar and then put them in a microwave safe bowl or something to reheat them in, because the oats will start to expand, and because we're at the very top of our jar, they will expand and flow over, and it'll just be a hot mess, like legit a hot mess, not just how I am in the morning. So let me know in the comments down below if you have a favorite way of eating overnight oats. I have a few more flavors up my sleeve, but totally down to learn new flavor combos, or if you use different seeds, nuts, any of those kinds of things, let me know. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, hopefully I don't have to remind you at some point during this video. I hope you subscribe, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I hope I see you again in the next video. Until next time, folks.